Shalom and welcome to my channel, Learn with Laina. Let's learn Hebrew. Lesson 10, Family Vocabulary Words Part 2. To say uncle in Hebrew is dod. Dod. Uncle is dod. To say aunt in Hebrew is doda. Doda. Aunt is doda. To say nephew in Hebrew is achyan. Achyan. Nephew is achyan. To say niece in Hebrew is achyanit. Achyanit. Niece is achyanit. To say cousin masculine form is ben dod. Ben dod. Ben dod. To say cousin feminine form is bat doda. Bat doda. Bat doda. Let's review. Uncle is dod. Aunt is doda. Nephew is achyan. Niece is achyanit. Cousin masculine form is ben dod. And cousin feminine form is bat doda. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.